Today we are doing some fun trend decor for home, and we're gonna start with the paper lantern. It is iconic, it has been popular for many years, but we're giving her a little makeover. And what a better way than adding fun pops of color to your home with something you probably already have. So very simple, we're gonna get some tissue paper in whatever color makes you happy. The thing about tissue paper is it's gonna be a little sensitive, so you wanna wrap the paper over it to protect having rough edges.
Oh, that's a great tip.
Yeah, and then we're using a little Sunday scooper here, and we are gonna layer this up, and we're just gonna cut our circles one at a time with an X-Acto knife.
Let me hold.
Push it down, cut around, and then ultimately we'll be able to, rather than cut them one at a time, we'll have a bunch of them all at once.
Oh, you stack them up, I see.
Exactly. So then they're there for you. And then with our lantern, you wanna make sure you cover the bottom. And once the bottom is covered, we're just gonna tape. Once you have all of your supplies.
Oh, shush.
Yeah, super simple.
I don't even need one of those glue gunny things or
No,
anything.
you're not gonna get burned. It's gonna be super easy, super simple. And then I'm just gonna give you sort of the idea here, but once it's full, you have a beautiful lantern here with texture, with movement. Yeah. So we are gonna make squiggly coasters. So we're gonna take polymer clay. We're gonna make a little ball if you wanna join with me.
All right.
Squiggles are all the rage in design, right? At home, for events. This is a teeny tiny meatball. We're gonna roll it out and then we're gonna stretch it out
now
into
it's
one
like making a noodle, like a peachy.
Ooh, now you're making me hungry. A meatball, a noodle, a pizza. And then once you have a nice long, clean piece, we're gonna make a circle.
Okay.
All right. It's kind of therapeutic to roll this out, actually. And what's fun is you can roll them in all shapes and sizes. You don't have to worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. So once you have your circle, you just pinch from two sides into the middle to make a squiggle.
Okay.
And then once we have them done, perfect. We're gonna pop them in the oven.
Okay.
About 15 or 20 minutes. The good news about clay is you don't want to underbake it. So even if you overbake it, that's the safer way to be because you can't paint on it if it's wet and not yet dry. So once we're in the oven for 15 or 20 minutes, we will then have some fun painting. Again, you can pick any color that you want, and we want to paint two sides. So we're going to touch up one side that's already been painted on the pink one here, if you want to join me. And again, you want to paint one side, then you want to let it rest. And then you paint the other side. And then what you've really created here is a beautiful piece of art for your home, for your guests to enjoy. So what we're going to do is take our favorite paints and we're kind of going to plot it out. So what we do is place them on the canvas upside down, let them rest, and then we're going to pull them off. So let me demonstrate, and then I'll let you follow.
Okay.
All right, so wish us luck. So we take our favorite color.
Okay.
We cup it, and we pop it in and slide out the paper. So the paint just sits there.
All right.
So you can try with yours in the middle. Any color you want. Cup it, flip it, pull it. Yeah, nice, beautiful. And then kind of just place them all over the place. So we're gonna use all 5 of our cups in any pattern that you want, any shape. Put some close to each other, some far from each other. Feel free to mix the paint colors too, because you're creating your own custom canvas. Nice. And now one more.
I'm out of the little papers.
You can reuse it, because all the paint's gonna mix.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're totally fine to reuse. Perfect. So now that they're all there, you're gonna slowly lift them up and get them all off at the same time. And watch how beautiful they flow.
I don't need these again, right? Because I just
You don't need the
away.
cups again.
Okay.
And then you are just gonna rock and roll in any way, shape, or form you wanna go to create your very own, yeah, nice. Go sideways, but you wanna go at extreme angles. Isn't it fun? And now you ultimately have a piece of art. Yours is very color blocked. I really like that. It's we have very different art for the same project. Yours is so clean and neat and perfect.